Hey there. Today I'm diving into some surprising Social Security changes coming in 2025 that could have a big impact on your retirement plans. So whether you're already retired or planning to retire soon, stick around to learn how these updates might affect you. First up, there's a 2.5% cost of living adjustment, or COLA. What does that mean for you? Well, the average retired worker will see an extra $49 per month. While it might not seem like a lot, every bit helps, especially when dealing with inflation. Next, let's talk taxes. The maximum taxable earnings limit is rising to $176,100. This means if you're still working and earning over that amount, you'll be paying more in Social Security taxes. It's a hit for high earners, but it also means higher future benefits. Speaking of benefits, the maximum monthly Social Security benefit for new retirees is increasing to $520. This adjustment reflects changes in the average wage, making sure those who have earned more over their lifetimes get a benefit that matches their contributions. Finally, for those younger than their full retirement age, the earnings threshold before benefits are partially withheld is going up. This means you can earn more without seeing a reduction in your Social Security payments. It's good news for anyone planning to work part-time in their early retirement years. These changes highlight how dynamic Social Security is and why it's so important to stay informed. Understanding these updates can help you make the most of your benefits and plan your retirement more effectively. So, what do you think about these updates? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more retirement tips and news. Thanks for watching.